In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to create the variable and print them out in a wiki statement. So the example that we're going to try to duplicate is our first example from our textbook. I hope I score at least a 9.9 on this assignment. Our 9.9 is going to be a final double variable. We will name it score as a descriptive name. It will be assigned 9.9. Our output will be a system.out.println line statement. And in order to get the text that we wish to have printed along with the variable value, we will do or use a process called concatenation. And what we do is we put all the text inside double quotes. I hope I score at least a. Go outside the double quotes, add a plus sign. That's going to be our concatenation. I will need to put a space after the A. And then what I want to add in here is the value that's stored in the variable. So I use the variable name score, and it will automatically put in 9.9 when I run this. And so I finish off my print line statement, add a semicolon at the end. I will execute this, hit OK. It says, I hope I score at least a 9.9 on this assignment. So that is how you can create a wiki statement that includes the data type that you have declared. You will need to do all primitive data types, and you will need to use unique statements, not this one.